Hey, it's Dr. David Phelps from the Freedom Founders Investor Community. I'm out here in San Diego this week at my Collective Genius Mastermind group. No, I don't host this group, I'm a part of this group. I'm a part of several different mastermind groups, and yes, it's a little bit of a pain to take time off, to get on a plane, to fly out somewhere else to be a part of the group. But the reason why I do this is because being a part of the mastermind group is one of the most important things that I've ever done in my life. You see, it's not about just more information, it's about the people that you surround yourself with in all aspects of life. Jim Rohn said it best: you become the average of the 5 people that you associate with the most. And in a group like this, I'm not the smartest one. We all come from different backgrounds, we all have different experiences, and it's just about the way we think collectively together. It's not just one person, but the thought processes go from the busyness of our everyday lives. You know, we all get stuck down in the forest where all we can see is trees, and when you get away from your business and the business of your life, you start to think about the bigger things, and that changes everything. If you're not part of a mastermind group, you've got to do it to get that clarity, that focus in your life. Don't just be busy being busy. You've got to make some things happen. That's what we do in the Freedom Founders Mastermind community. We have professional practice owners from all over the country that get together on a regular basis, and we talk about our lives, our practices, and how we can also build equity, wealth, cash flow outside of our practices, so we have the options in life that we want, the freedom, the lifestyle that we thought we would have. It's important that you do these things now, today. Don't wait 2 years, 3 years, 5 years, and then start trying to figure it out. Today's the time for you to start getting together with other people that are like-minded and figure out what you need to do in your life to make things really happen. This is Dr. David Phelps, San Diego, signing off. Hope to see you real soon.